welcome to Beauty in Bloom. My name's Tanya. This is your first time here. Welcome. If not, welcome back, friends. Today we are doing hot new shit for my makeup kit. And I'm also going to be just going over a few things I've been up to during the whole quarantine the past week. You know, we had Mother's Day. That was fun. Did a little cooking, self-care. So I'm just gonna bring you along. So if you want to see my hot new shit and what I've been up to, then please stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, I want to just tell you that I did go through a whole like COVID-19 sanitation practices certification, you know, just to reassure my clients that, you know, I take, you know, sanitation and hygiene very serious. I always have, so it's just taking a little, you know, more extra precaution now with masks and, you know, gloves and things like that. So I did get my N95 masks and my gloves, hand sanitizers, all that stuff. I also picked up a few bottles of this 99% alcohol for my kit. And I got a few new foundation palettes. So, and they are from Graftobian. They're cream foundations and they look like this. So this is the warm palette. So I'm very excited about this. And I also got the cool palette, which looks like this. And then I also got the neutral palette, and that one looks like this. So, you know, just to, you know, be able to just have every foundation color for everybody, which I never had a problem with before. I could mix foundations to get the perfect color and things like that. You know, if you know your color wheel, you know what you're doing. This has great reviews. So many professional, you know, makeup artists, celebrity artists, and the special effects. They use a lot of Graftobian stuff, and so I'm really excited to like work with it. And hey. Yeah, so I also got from them the Graftobian lip color palette, and that looks like this. And it has like all of the colors and stuff like that on the back. So that's really nice. Excited about that. And the next thing I got is this Senna Slipcover Cream to Powder palette, and it's a blush, Cheeky Blush 2 palette. So these are the colors, and it's by Senna, and that's also a professional like makeup brand. So yeah. So I'm excited about all these goodies and to use them on my clients. And then I picked up a few things for myself. The first one being the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation in the color Sand. And it's like this color. I think it's a little light though, especially for my summer color when, you know, I'm like doing my fake tan and spray tan. So I might have to send that back, but we'll see. But anyway, and then I got this Jouer blush. It looks like this. It's so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. And the color I got is Seduce Me and Tease Me. They are so pretty. So these are for myself. But I'm excited. So that was my hot new shit. my unboxing. You know, I just want everyone to know that, you know, with this whole COVID-19, like, it's really, really affecting all of us in different ways. And, you know, I've been praying a lot through all this for, you know, for everyone, not just myself and my family, but for everyone. And, you know, just doing my whole makeup kit, like, for more sanitary practices, even though, you know, it's always been, and we always, you know, have high standards for that. But I'm just downsizing my kit a lot too, because I carry entirely too much shit when I go to do my clients. And I mean, it's just tiring and like, ugh. So I mean, I have my MAC Zuka bag, my Zuka backpack, I have my ring light, my chair. I mean, sometimes I take two different lights because the ring light is like like a more white color light, and I have another light that's a more yellow light. So it just depends on who I'm working with and what we're doing. I mean, so I just have to like downsize. Like, it's just too much. And so that's what I'm doing during this whole COVID-19 break, actually. So anyway, stay tuned to see what else I've been up to. And thank you for joining me today. Okay, so we're in my bathroom again. I just wanted to show you what I'm up to today. I'm waxing myself. So I have my gloves. I have two different types of wax. They're both by Gigi. I have tweezers in case I need them, baby oil, and my strips. And OMG, I'm gonna do it myself. Show me your ball. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? There's your ball. Good boy. Good boy. All right, you gotta get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Daddy needs to cut this grass. Ready? That ball doesn't bounce very well.
Like I used to.
Hey, this is how we social distance and hang out with our friends now. That is Tanisha. She is the owner of Studio Beautista, and she is a lash tech. So if you are into individual lash extensions, that's your girl. Hit us up.